What are you doing? What is up, everybody? We have 6-week-old white Labrador puppies today, and it's their very first time on the trampoline. I only have a few of the puppies out right now, just that everything is handled with safety and that they have fun and nothing is compromised because they are so curious. And it's time to have some fun. Woo! Yeah! Also just woke up from their nap, so fun is about to be had. Hi. Oh, what? You want to snuggle? Oh my goodness, look at you. What are you guys doing? Look, here's a ball. Go get the ball. Oh, you guys are snuggly. Hi. Hi, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. Oh my goodness, you want snuggles? Hi. Hi. What are you doing over there? Drop it, this isn't a toy. This is for protection. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on, come here, come here. There we go. Go get it. All right, so I'm gonna go get their brothers and sisters, and we're gonna add a couple puppies to the trampoline. Puppy kisses. Oh my goodness. Let go. Oh my goodness, this is turning into a puppy attack. Oh my gosh. What are you guys doing? Oh, hi. Hi, buddy. You guys having fun with this orange little orangutan, huh? Where are you going? Be careful. Come on, guys, let's play. Let's play. Kind of bouncy, huh? Don't do it. Come on, isn't there a toy we can play with? There sure is. What? Fingers aren't toys. Oh, that's a toy. Come on, puppies, it's time to bounce. It's time to bounce. What? What? You guys are being naughty. Alright, buddy, come on. Our time is up. Our time is up. I know, you just want to escape, so here you go. Hi! Your turn. So patient. Where do you think you're going? Come on, come here. Come here. Let's go out. There you go.